Annuities might be the most misunderstood guest at the retirement party. Some folks treat them like financial superheroes, others like wallet vampires. But what's the real deal here? Wave Financial is here to unmask the latest insights around and uncover smart paths to take in your retirement years. Let's welcome Joseph Laswell, CEO of Wave Financial. Hey, Joseph.
Hi.
Hey, okay, so Joseph, at work we were talking about this, annuities, and I kind of heard different versions of it. Nobody was 100% clear. So what's the simplest explanation for what an annuity is?
Yeah, that's a great question. Well, an annuity is an insurance contract. It's backed by an insurance company. It's regulated by the Department of Insurance, and you're literally buying a contract for an exchange, promise, and return. It is a financial vehicle, so it has guarantees and some, potential earning potential, market earning potential.
Okay, and then so people hear annuity, they think they know what that means, but are all annuities the same?
Yeah, that's a great question. There are so many different types of annuities, and they were designed for different purposes in mind. There is a fixed annuity, which offers a guaranteed interest rate, oftentimes higher than what a bank CD product is going to offer. There's an index annuity, which offers growth connected to market performance, also giving downside market protection. There's variable annuities that give you the most market exposure, most upside earning potential. But think of it kind of like automobiles. Just because we're having a conversation about a vehicle doesn't mean a sports car and a pickup truck were designed for the same purposes.
Right, that makes sense. So a lot of options for people. And I mean, the number one fear we hear is annuities will trap your money forever. But how much truth is there to that? And is there any flexibility to them?
Yeah, there's a lot of pluses and minuses with everything. There's a lot of pluses with the annuity, but the biggest downside that you need to be comfortable with an annuity is what we call limited liquidity. It's often limited to 10% annually, and there are some exclusions if there's emergencies like the need for long-term care expenses. There's no additional fees in that example, but it is limited, normally limited to 10% annually. Some companies allow 20% of the contract value annually.
Okay, and then another myth is that all annuities come with high fees. Is that something people should worry about?
Well, you need to know what type of annuity we're talking about. Variable annuities do tend to have higher fees. You're paying for market performance, you're paying for insurance riders. But fixed annuities and indexed annuities often don't have any annual fee at all.
Okay, and then so Joseph, if someone is hearing about annuities and wondering if it's right for them, what should they do? What should the next move be?
Yeah, there isn't a one-size-fits-all, but annuities can be a really good tool to consider for part of your retirement plan. It's important to know what your options are and how they fit into the big picture. If you wanted to learn about how guaranteed lifetime income, on how market protection or tax deferral strategies could potentially benefit your retirement plan, we'd love to have a conversation with you.
There you go. So they got to check out Wave Financial, right?
Thank you. Yeah,
right.
You bet. We'd love to have a chat.
All right, thanks for coming on the show. Appreciate it.
Great.
All right, to our viewers, preparation is the key to a stress-free retirement. So for more information, you can visit wavefinancial.com/ABC10, or you can call the number that you see on the screen, 209-542-4929. And you can also scan that QR code that you see on your screen too. It will take you to the latest info from Wave Financial.